fglongatt. Creating the future now. Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back to your YouTube channel, and welcome to this very simple but useful video for all of you today. So today what I am doing is working with one of the quite popular power system analysis software. So as you must be aware, there are plenty software used for power system simulations. Power system simulation is basically one of the most important tools that we use as power engineers in order to analyze, to study the performance of the electrical power system. So the reality is that there are many software that they can be used for power system analysis. If you want to read more about the different type of power system analysis software, you can read this relative old document from 2020 where I introduced power system simulation software. So in that very short document, you will see that we can classify the power system analysis software in many ways. However, usually people prefer to classify the power system analysis software in two groups: commercial and non-commercial software. So the non-commercial power system tools are typically programs that they are freely distributed, everyone can use it, they are open source, and so on. So over here in this table 1.1, you can see that there are many software. You can see GridLab, OpenDSS, Modelica, Panda Power, Math Power, PSAT, PyPower, and so on. And on the other hand, on the other side of this spectrum, there are many commercial software. You can see over here one of my favorites, Dixieland Power Factory, coming from our colleagues of Dixieland, Germany. And you can see many others over here like Aspen, Siemens or Siemens, I'm not sure about the pronunciation, ETAP, PSLF, ETSA, PowerWord, IPSA. And here at the bottom, you can see the one that we are talking today, and that is the Power System Simulator. That is basically a product suite where one of those software is the PSSE, and the other one is the very well-known SYNCAL. So PSSE is basically the initials for the abbreviation of Power System Simulator for Engineering. You can see over here, there is a link. You can get more information about this, but basically PSSE is a software that is used for power flow analysis. So you can calculate voltages, magnitudes, angles, power flow across the system. And our colleague from Siemens, they say that you can do up to 2,000 buses, okay? Also, this software has the possibility of running dynamic simulation that allow you to analyze the grid stability, the time domain response, for instance, for sudden disturbances like the generator trip or a fault caused by short circuit. And there is a vast library of built-in and custom equipment inside. Also, if you are interested in security, contingency analyzing, so this software allows you to test the grid against very well-known reliability or security indicators like N-1 or N-1-1, and so on. Also, the software is able to run optimal power flow that automatically adjust the control variables like generation dispatch in order to fulfill an objective function that can be minimizing costs of or optimizing the network constraints. Finally, and very important for all the people that like automation, PSSE is a software that has a Python API. Every single modern power system, almost every single modern power system analysis software, they have this Python API, and that's allow feature over 2,000 commands, and that's allow you to take all the juice out of this very important software. So this is the website for the power system simulation and modeling software, PSS. And you can see that now is a part of GridScale X that enable grid planners and operators around the world to accurately model, simulate, and analyze and optimize the power grid. As you can see, there are several products in the PSS family. So you can see this one, that is the one that we are interested, the GridX PSS E, but also there are others like the SynCal electricity modules, and so on, okay? So something that you can do is you can request a demo version in order to assess the performance of the software. So that is what we are planning to do today. So as you can see here, we are inside a website that is designed by the colleague from Siemens, that is basically to have a free trial of the GridScale X PSSE. So what you need to do over here is you need to complete this web form in order to request your PSSE trial. So after you register, of course, you will receive a confirmation via email, and then you will receive another email with the address to download your very specific PSSE for a free trial, okay? Something that you need to be aware is there is an evaluation agreement, because this software is basically for evaluation. So here the colleagues from Siemens PSS E, they show you this evaluation agreement. So one of the things that you need to take care about here is that this is for evaluation. So basically you can use this software to test the functionalities, make yourself aware about the different modules and the framework and the way to work with the software. And this is basically an evaluation period for 30 days. So as you can see, this is only for the purpose of evaluating the suitability of the software for you, and is not intended to do anything else beyond that, okay? So please read carefully about these evaluation agreements, so then you are able to complete this form. You need to put over here your first name, your last name. If you are in America, if you are in Europe, it must be your surname, your email address, phone, company, and so on. And after that, you need to submit this form. Immediately after you submit your email, probably within 5 to 10 minutes, you will receive an email. Here I am showing you the web version of that email, and basically is Siemens recognizing that you have signed up to evaluate the software, in this case the PSSE, and of course they give you the thank you for registering, and then you need to wait between 4 business day, and you will receive another email where you will be able to have a link where you can download the trial version of PSSE. So now in front of you, I am showing the web-based version of the email that you will receive. Basically, you will receive a second email inside 4 business days where our colleagues from Siemens, they say, welcome to you to the PSSE community, and from there you can download your exclusive trial version of the software. As you can see over there, there is a download now. That is the place that you can click in order to download the software. So the plan now is that we are planning to download this software, and in the next video, the plan is to show you how to install the software and how to navigate the environment of this very interesting and useful software, and this is the PSSE. So basically, you need to download, so you will be able to download the software like this. So we are reaching the end of this video, not without telling you, thank you very much for watching. If you find the video useful, please give a like over there or comment at the video. And also, if you want to be informed about the coming videos and more, and also additional material, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Well, we are reaching the end of this video, and it's time to say the classical bye now. fglongatt. Creating the future now.